10 Early Warning Signs of Cancer Most people ignore. Cancer can be a devastating disease that comes out of nowhere. Those diagnosed often notice few symptoms, and they feel fine when they're blindsided with a diagnosis. Signs and symptoms of cancer can be very small and easy to miss. Recognizing these 10 signs that cancer may be growing in your body can be vital to catching it early and saving your life. 1. A lump beneath the skin. Lumps in breast tissue are often discovered by those who regularly perform self-exams. Regularly performing self-exams and knowing what to look for can help you recognize when something has changed. Self-exams can be performed on other parts of the body as well and can allow you to discover lumps before they develop into larger tumors. 2. Itchy skin. The body treats cancer as a bacteria. The immune system fights it by using white blood cells to attempt to destroy it. This increases blood flow in the area of cancerous growth, causing the area to feel warm, appear red, change color, feel tight or itch. 3. Wounds that don't heal. If you notice that a cut or another skin injury is taking a long time to heal, it could be a sign that cancer is growing in your body. Your immune system has to prioritize, and the cancer takes priority. A wound isn't as important, so it may take the body longer to heal that injury. 4. Bumps on the mouth or tongue. Bumps that appear inside the mouth, gums or throat, especially if they are white in color, should be checked out by a healthcare professional. 5. Trouble swallowing or loss of appetite. If your digestive process is disrupted, you have trouble swallowing, or you suffer from indigestion or experience a loss of appetite, these issues should be checked out by a doctor, as they will affect the body's ability to get nutrients from the food that you eat. Appetite. 6. Changes in bowel movements. Anything that appears out of the ordinary regarding bowel movements and lasts more than 2 days could be cause for concern. Finding blood in your stools could be a sign of colon cancer, and it should be evaluated by a medical professional. 7. Changes in urination. Bladder function should be fairly regular when you are healthy. Changes in the strength of urine flow, color, smell, presence of foam or blood should be checked out immediately. 8. Bleeding. Bleeding that is unexplained should always be checked. Blood from the uterus, nipple or in any bodily excretions can be a major sign of a problem. 9. Changes in voice. Cancer of the larynx can cause the pitch and tone of your voice to change. If you notice your voice changing or someone else mentions it, make an appointment with a healthcare professional. 10. Constant coughing. Cancer of the lungs, esophagus, throat and even stomach can cause constant coughing. If you've had a persistent cough that is painful, or you find yourself coughing up blood, check in with a doctor. Coughing that lasts longer than 1 to 2 weeks may be much more than a cold. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.